Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back. Today I have the Beads of the Month Club for August 2026 that I received, as well as both of the companion packs. I have the Swarovski crystal and the findings as well, which I have barely even peeked at, although I do know I've got the Delica Beads of the Month Club back here. Let's first get into those two companion packs. This bubble wrap is just so adorable and I wanted to leave that on. Just so cute with the little hearts. So I've got the crystals here at the top, and I do have a special discount code if you'd like to sign up for any of the Beads of the Month Club. That code is OPAL10, OPAL10. That will save you 10% off your very first month of your first club. You're welcome to sign up to more than one. And these companion packs are optional add-ons to any existing bead club. They don't add any additional shipping cost to your package. So we'll get into Swarovski crystals. And here's the list of the 3 items on the front and a little sneak peek of the items. Let's check these out up close. All right, up first in my hand here is a set of 24 of the Jet Hematite 5mm Swarovski crystal faceted round beads. They're very dark, almost a jet black with just a hint of that kind of deep grayish hematite color shift, adding that extra little bit of a luster and shine to the outside. Item number 2 here is the Tanzanite wing focal. It's a 10 by 23mm size, kind of asymmetrical with the hole going up there through the center, which you can see there how beautifully that's drilled, very smooth, and a bit of faceting all around the outside, so it's very sparkly and pretty substantial. And then our third crystal item here, these are the Cantaloupe cubes in the 4mm size, and it is a set of 18. So they are very beautiful as well. And these are just an example of 3 of the types of items you might come to see in your mailbox. If you receive that Swarovski Crystals companion pack, you're going to get a selection of typically 3 different Swarovski very high quality crystal items in various colors, in both a mix of beads and possibly a focal for the month. So those are really cool. They've got just the slightest greenish cast to those very transparent crystals. So that's a really solid crystals companion pack you do see down here. You get a slight discount over the retail value if you sign up for these clubs, which is nice. And it's also nice to get a fun surprise of different items to work with. And like I usually say, they may not exactly go with your Beads of the Month club that you received color-wise or theme-wise, but it's just nice if you know you like working with Swarovski crystals. You know, that's why you'd sign up, and chances are you're gonna like that club. So same with the Findings companion pack. Here I've got the copper assortment that I received for the month. And here is a peek at what we're gonna be checking out. It does look like it's a bright copper assortment for this month, and they always send very high quality findings that I'm really typically happy to have and use all the time in things that are usually a little bit different than the very basic. So we'll get into this. There's the list of everything we're about to check out. So we'll go down the list and take a look closer up. All right, so I've just laid everything out here, and we've got a couple of bails, it looks like, and several different clasps to choose from, some lever back earring findings, some jump rings, and even some of these really nice quality head pins. So just to show you a few of these items here, well, I'll show you all of the items here up close. So here are a couple of the bail items. I'm thinking this is that first one on the list, the shell donut bail. It's got that kind of shell-like shape there and a couple of loops there at the top. So those would, I'm guessing, pinch together, and you could use those accordingly. Something could slip on into that shell down there. Here is another type of bail here, great for using on a beaded rope for sure, with a little loop down there. A couple of cord ends, and all of these coordinate really well color-wise. Here's that little simple toggle clasp in that color. And those two different choices of clasps here, an elongated lobster clasp with jump ring, and then the little disc magnetic clasp as well. Here are the lever back earring findings, a set of 4 of those, so 2 pairs worth, and then an assortment here of these oval jump rings in a couple different sizes, which I love getting, and adding those to my findings collection. And here's a closer look at the set of 6 ball tip head pins, a 2.5-inch length, 22 gauge size, and those just adding that extra detail so you don't have to add an extra bead or anything at the bottom if you don't want to. They give a really nice finished look, and these wires are pretty long, so you have a lot to work with when you're adding on to those and making your final loop at the top, which is always a handy thing. I definitely recommend these finding packs. I pull from these findings all the time. I may not know exactly what I'm going to do with them right away or even use them right away, but as I'm creating month after month and making different things, I'm usually drawn to the items that Beads a Month Club has sent because they are just, like I said, that higher quality finding feel, which is just nice to have to pull from. But they're always sending something just a little bit unique with a little extra detail, something that sets it apart from some of the other basic items that I have, and that's just a nice thing. So besides that, you're going to get a different color selection every month. So not every month obviously will be the bright copper. You'll get silver, you'll get antique silver, gold, you know, you get the idea. So every month will be something different. Now getting into the bead club. So here's what I received for August, the Double Delica Beads of the Month Club. There are 8 different flip top containers that we're going to check out of beautiful Miyuki 11.0 Delica beads. So it's called Royal, Regalia, and we'll take a little sneak peek before we get into checking these out up close. Look at those gorgeous blues and purples, and I like how they've added just a touch of gold to the palette. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have them all laid out in the ceramic tray, which I love to do, and see all of these items together and see that beautiful color palette and theme come together. Every month is going to be something different here as well, and they do such a great job at bringing these different colors and finishes together so that you get something new every time and in high quality, beautiful selections. I just wanted to show you the flip top container that these come in. Here's a closer look at the tube, which, like I've mentioned in these videos a lot, I use these all the time for my bead storage. They're one of my favorite containers. So it's a simple thing, but I love the fact that they've been keeping that up and keeping these containers in the rotation as well. And I've got almost all the beads in these different compartments, but some are left in the tubes that I have over there. So getting started here with color selection number 1, I absolutely love the iris combinations when we receive them. So I'm loving this, of course. It's the metallic dark blue iris with the kind of oil slick-like effect on the dark blue. And you can see those little hints of different colors kind of coming in to the mix as well. It makes them a great item to go with a lot of different combinations, which is one of the reasons why I really like these. They pick up a lot of different colors. So that's number 1. Here is number 2, which is similar, but it is the metallic dark plum iris. So it's on more of a purple base, and you can see the difference there with those side by side, but that's still bringing in some of those different tones and even a little bit of gold, which you can see is being picked up by the gold that's right next door, which is pretty cool. A little bit of green and blue also showing up. So that brings us to selection number 3. A little bit of gold here. These are the light smoky topaz gold luster variety. So they definitely have that extra kind of shine and luster quality on the coating. They are a more transparent, sort of a lighter gold bead. Selection number 4, this is definitely also a favorite of mine from this selection. These are the dyed semi-frosted silver-lined dusk blue. I love the semi-frosted silver-lined beads. Something really beautiful about these. And that extra metallic showing up in the whole lining of these beads is really nice too. That extra beautiful shine. All right, next up, this one's beautiful too. It's the dyed semi-frosted silver-lined purple. So another semi-frosted in this purple with sort of a bluish undertone, and beautiful. You can see those side by side in that specific semi-frosted combination with the silver lining. Love that we got the blue and the purple in those two. So that's really great. And then the next two items are kind of similar in that way, where they brought us the blue and the purple in a similar finish. So you can kind of see those side by side. So that's pretty fun. We have the sparkle blue lined crystal in this compartment here. So that's beautiful with the crystal outer, and then the blue is actually showing up on the inside, lining the bead. Really beautiful. Here is selection 7. So similar idea with the purple lining, this time in a purple rather than the blue, and that crystal exterior, which is just a really neat effect. And then last but not least, container number 8 was holding the Duracoat galvanized matte yellow gold, a very classic Duracoat shade that goes with pretty much everything in that gold, and especially nice when we get the Duracoat finish in any of these, because we know that's going to last longer, and those also end up costing a little bit more too if you've ever bought Delicas separately. Alrighty, well that is a full look at the August 2026 Double 11.0 Delica Beads of the Month Club that I received. And I keep saying I received because this is the rotation that I'm on. Depending on when you sign up, you might be on a different rotation, but this is a really good example, good idea of what you might receive. And these themes tend to kind of repeat throughout different people's rotations. So what I mean is, just because I got this one this month, you may not get this one this month, but it may show up in your rotation a couple months down the line. Also, you're welcome to sign up only for Delicas of the month. If that's what you know you want to sign up for, if that's what you use, then you're going to love this club for sure. But they also have other clubs as well, and they have that rotating club, which is what I'm on. So next month I'll receive something different, like seed beads or gemstones or 2-hole beads, hot and trendy, and all the different ones that they have to offer. They have 6 different clubs right now, so you'll end up getting each of these clubs twice a year if you're signed up for the whole year. But check out their website for all those details and more specific information about signing up. They've got all of that information there, and they also let you know about how you can sign up for a single club or a double club. So with this one, I received the double, and the single, you get half the quantities of beads, but the same number of containers. So you have lots of options depending on what you know you like to work with, what you want to receive, and all those sorts of things. Not to mention the fact that you're welcome to sign up for their additional companion packs for the crystals and for the findings if you like those too. Since I have this here, and I don't know if it made an appearance while I was doing any of this unboxing or not, I wanted to take this off and show you as an example of something you can make with the Delica beads. Some of you may have already seen this bracelet. It's the Delica Lynx bracelet, and you can find this a little bit back on my channel, or just search Delica Lynx bracelet and you'll find this tutorial come up. I will try to link it in the corner, do my best to remember that, but this is a nice option. You can just think about these Delicas down here, for example, and even doing each of these links in a different color. So that's a really fun project, and just a way for me to show you how these Delica beads actually look in use. One other perk to the subscription, you can find a link on the printed invoice that they send with your beads. That will take you to a special link that changes every month that will give you access to 3 free printable downloadable beading patterns on their site, so you can add to your beading pattern library over time. And final reminder, if you want to sign up for any of these clubs, if you are a new subscriber, you can use that coupon code OPAL10 to save 10% off your very first month of your first club. Be sure to check out my playlist. I've got lots of these unboxings going back over years, showing you all of their different clubs and what they've offered, and you're definitely going to get a good idea of what to expect by checking out those videos if you want to see more. Otherwise, thank you all so much for joining me today for this unboxing. It's always great to have you. Please feel free to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. I hope to see you guys again real soon, and until next time, have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.